How to fix Face ID and passcode not showing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you fix the problem like Face ID and passcode not showing on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, after you open settings, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like screen time. Alright, from the screen time section, you'll have to again scroll down and go the options like content and privacy restriction. Okay, from the section, you'll have to scroll down and go the sections like allow, changes to, and from that section, tap on passcode and face ID. Alright, from the section, make sure that you have turn on the options like allow from here, and after you tap on the option allow, your problem will be gone now. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.